Northeast 74th Street, northeast 74th Street toward North Oak Traffic Way, then turn right onto North Oak Traffic Way. Continue on North Oak Traffic Way for 2 miles.
These are moments just to see if I can still bleed. 'Cause with you I'm superhuman.
Get over.
Alright. That's so crazy, man. Thank you for sharing this with me.
Yeah.
I appreciate it. And if you can get me the original, that'll make a big difference too. This will be sustainable for now, but...
Do you want to try it at Kroger and see how much it does?
Yeah, let's do it.
Not really. I'm good. I can get it later. We're not totally out of anything.
Alright, so we don't have to do anything, right? We're done? Alright. Oh shit. Oh god! Oh god! Oops.
That was...
Oh.
You guys okay?
You guys alright? You guys okay? Oh, we're okay.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
Oh, I cannot believe I did that. Oh my goodness.
Does someone have to pay for that?
Yeah.
Can we see
No, you stay where you are, please.
it wrecked?
Yep.
And
I need you guys to just, don't worry about it, okay? Are you guys okay? Did it just scare you?
yeah.
Yep.
You guys okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Silent.
Do you understand that?
It's silent.
What is she doing?
She's getting us information.
I think it has everything to do with his manners. Children are highly impressionable, and if he spent his childhood being taught that promiscuity is sinful, it could definitely have a lasting effect. Considering that he referenced the Bible, he was probably raised religiously conservative.
Wow.
In his mind, a woman acting like this would be sinful.
And yet, he was misinformed about the Bible and decided the best way to deal with the problem was the very anti-Christian method of murder.
Well, like we talked about before, with using the Bible as a justification rather than a motivation, it seems to me that we can avoid moral urgency.
What a piece of work!
Wow.
That's cool.
Oh my gosh.
Way to go,
Van,
bud.
the van got it too.
Oh my gosh.
Let's save that.
I saw that one going. What happened to the guy that turned around?
He
was the one
got
that
T-boned by the van.
I captured it.
The Flying Dutchman had hung motionless in space, exposed for far too long. I wanted us to get the hell out of there and onto our next objective. Our next objective, which we still hadn't decided on. I ordered an end to the exploration effort as soon as the Chinese team aboard the station could be extracted. Colonel Chang, I said to myself, drop ship as soon as you can do so safely. Yes, sir, Chang replied. This is a good opportunity for training, but there is nothing useful for us over